Math Day, Great Day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to Mathematics Lead channel, where we can turn your math worries into mastery. I am Miss Christine, and together, let us have some fun while learning. So our lesson for this video is all about arranging real numbers in increasing or decreasing order and on a number line. So before we start, for our learning objectives, at the end of discussion, students should be able to arrange real numbers in increasing or decreasing order and or plot or represent or plot a real numbers on a number line in decreasing or increasing order. So before we start our discussion, let us do some engaging activity to recall our knowledge. So number one, arrange a real number found inside the box on decreasing order. Number two, arrange the real number found inside the box on increasing order. So I will give you 10 seconds to arrange it before we reveal the correct answer. So let's start. And time's up. So in number one, decreasing order, it starts with the largest value, which is 6, followed by 4, 1, 1/2, negative 0.5, and negative 3. And number two, increasing order, it starts with the smallest value, which is negative 6, followed by negative 0.5, 1/2, 2, 3, and 5. So I hope you get the correct answer. Then let's proceed with our discussion under activating knowledge. So increasing order, it is the arrangement of numbers from smallest value to largest value. The order goes from left to right, and increasing order is also known as ascending order. While decreasing order it is the arrangement of number from largest value to smallest value. And the order goes from right to left, and it is also known as descending order. Then a number line is a pictorial representation of numbers on a straight line. It's a reference for comparing and ordering numbers. It can be used to represent any real numbers, and this line extends indefinitely at both ends. So let's apply it into example 1. Arrange 2.55 and so on, square root of 9, 15/4, and negative 11/5 to increasing order, and plot the numbers on a number line. So the first thing we need to do is change them to decimal form. So 2.55 will be 2.56 because round off to the nearest hundreds, and square root of 9 will be 3 because the square root of 9 is 3. And 15/4 will be 3.75 because when we divide them, it will be 3.75. And negative 11/5 will be negative 2.2. So the increasing order will be like this: negative 2.2, 2.56, 3, 3.75, and their original form in increasing order will be negative 11/5, 2.55, and so on, and square root of 9, and 15/4. And when we plot them into a number line, it will be like this: negative 11/5, 2.55, and so on, square root of 9, which is 3, and 15/4. Then let's proceed with example 2. Arrange 4, 1/2, 3.75, 1.15, and negative 3 in decreasing order, and plot the numbers on a number line. So the first thing we need to do is change the number into decimal form. So 1/2 will be 0.5 because when we divide them, it will be 0.5. And their decreasing order will be 4, 3.75, 1.15, 0.5, and negative 3. And in their original form, in decreasing order will be 4, 3.75, 1.15, 1/2, and negative 3. And when we plot them on a number line, it will be like this. And that's the end of our discussion. So now let's proceed with developing competencies to test your knowledge about our topic. So fill in the blank to make a statement true. So number 1, the figure provided by the PowerPoint is called blank. Number 2, it is the arrangement of numbers from smallest value to largest value. The order goes from left to right. It is blank. Number 3, when ordering a set of real numbers from blank to blank, follow the order on a number line from right to left. And lastly, number 4, to arrange a real number in increasing or decreasing order, change first each number to blank form. Then write the decimal in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. Then write the decimal in the original form with their new order. So I will give you 20 seconds, students, to answer this developing competencies. And time's up. And the answer is number 1. I number line. Number 2, it's either increasing or ascending order. And number 3, greatest to least. And lastly, number 4 is decimal form. Then let's proceed with second competencies. For this activity, you are going to arrange the following real number in increasing order and plot them on a number line. Number 1, negative 3.75, 1.98, square root of 16, negative 5 over 2. And number 2, 4.50, negative 1.11, 0.15, and negative square root of 9. And number 3, negative 2 over 5, negative 2, and 4.75, and 3 over square root of 9. Then students, I will also give you a 30 seconds to answer this. Let's start. Time's up. And here is the answer in increasing order and the plot on a number line. Very good, students. And that's the end of our discussion for today. I hope you understand our topic. And once again, I am Miss Christine. And see you on our next video on this channel. Thank you.